Good afternoon, all are welcome to our college, Sharath Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, Adrav, Insurgency Department of Information Technology. On today's practical session, we start the practical number 30, 31, 32. These are the last practical of course, that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here marks allocation for course outcome. After the completion of this practical, you achieve 5th CO, that is develop 3D animation object. These are the practical course outcome matrix. On that today's practical session, conduct the practical number 30, 31, 32. These are the mapped with 5th CO. Practical number 30. Practical number 30, that name is the metallic text in a 3D animation. These are the practical significances, the practical outcomes, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, lifelong learning. Practical outcomes, design the metallic text in a 3D animation tool. Minimum theoretical background, after that complete the table, resource table, result, conclusion. These are the practical related questions. Extra questions are given in the PPT. After that, these are the exercise question. In that, given some URL, go to that URL and solve that questions. Okay, I am already that URL, open it. These are the URL, copy it and in the address bar paste it. This also. Okay, this is the one. Some problem are there. It is not open that. Yourself open, then follow this. Solve this question. In that, select the theme metallic. After that, give the appropriate template, give the name and generate in a text effect in a metallic. Okay, I am to showing that. Here, okay, when we that URL open that time this page will be open. That time in that your text here. Okay, for example, I am given the college name SIE. Okay, now you are the short SIEP. And after that, choosing the metallic. All our options are there. You want to watching it, then you use it. In that given any onto that, select it and select there. For example, template will be saved that. Showing that your output. This will be create the screenshot if possible, otherwise draw yourself. This slide. Give the changes, color, new. Change it, otherwise not. Okay, this is the first question. In that, these are the second URL, but is not open that. We're trying that. Okay. So ignore that question. After that, this is the practical number 30. To that practical related question, extra questions are given that are completed it. Result, output of this procedure are right after the each question. By this practical, I am able to metatic text in a 3D animation. Next practical number 31. Practical number 31, use lighting effect in a multimedia object. These are the practical significances. These are the program outcome, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment science practices, engineering tools, individual and teamwork. For that, lifelong learning. This is a minimum theoretical background. After that, complete the table, result, conclusion. These are the practical related question. Just like this is okay. After that, in that exercise question, 3 links are URL are given. Go to that URL and solve the question. Okay. First URL. This is the table. To that, practical related question, extra questions are given that are completed it. To that, so already okay, this is the first URL. Okay. Photofina. What is then task are provided? Import an image where lighting effect has to be applied. After that, choose the appropriate template from the available templates. Generate the file containing lighting effect. Save the generated file at a desktop. Okay. Import the image where lighting effect is to be applied. Okay. Another lighting effect. Okay, there is no any lighting effects are there, so use the any another and use the photograph. Or cards, use the card. Okay. Upload that image. That only for try again. Okay. Only for choose the different effect, because in your lighting effect is not there, so crop that. Just like okay, this you want to download. download it. Download it. That's not seeing the what happened. It's okay. So I'm after checking that. I think display, yes. Okay, this is the very image, your first question. After that, go to that second URL. Okay, I'm already open it. It is the task: import any image, apply lighting effect, and save. Okay, go to that. In there, lighting effects are there or not? Okay, check it. Lighting effect. Home, select it. Lighting effects are there. This light. Okay, lighting effects are there. It's also download, save image. Okay, this is the second question. After that, go to in a third URL. This question. Okay, in that what is said as select the electric design from the available logo, choose the desired variations from the available template, write the name of logo text, size is 75 points, appropriate font name, click the next and logo. Okay, first search the electric design from the available logos. Search it, electric design. Okay, electric. Yes, okay, got it. And choose which template. This. Okay. In that, edit the logo. Choose also there. It's okay. Logo. I'm to given the text as a SYIT. Okay. You want to change any background. Okay, color whatever. Okay. In that question you say that name, size 75 point, font type change. Okay. In that points, where the points are given, in that, oh shit, there. Okay, font given, which how the points are said, right? 75. Okay, given the 75. To that, customize and done. Done. This is the practical complete or practical number 31. Okay, this is a download. Okay, get download it. PNG files are there. Previous that are the JPG. This is the our image. Okay. Electric design. Okay. This is the 31 practical. Sorry. Okay. For that practical related questions, these are the questions are there. Extra questions are given that exercise questions that are solve it. Okay. Only for write the steps. And possible to take a printout, then print out, otherwise draw yourself. After that, result output of this procedure are written are right after the each question. Conclusion: by this practical I am able to use the lighting effect in a multimedia object. Okay. After that, practical number 32, that not return a URL, return URL in your lab manuals given that. Practical number 32. This is the last practical. Rendering effects and animation with 3D object. Okay, these are the practical significance for the program outcomes: basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools, individual teamwork, lifelong learning. So for that, the minimum theoretical background, table, result, conclusion. These are the theory questions are there. Practical related question, extra questions are given in a PPT. In exercise question, 3 questions are there. In that first question, create the simple 3D animation to move the 2 objects in a same line. In that, create the path and that to move the object. Okay. In that, to show give that this question in YouTube, and videos will be displayed, that watch it. And also second question and third question, give the URL, give this YouTube URL. Okay, go to this URL and watch the video. That video is said as the how to objects in a specific path, how to move that, and how to scale, rotate the objects. Okay, so that's URLs. Watch it, means you understand how to use that 3D or how to use the Blender software, or how to create the 3D animation objects. Okay, these are the 32 practical. Okay, in that write the URL which are the given in your lab manual. After that, practical related question, 3 questions are there, extra questions are given that. Next, in exercise, 3 questions are homework for you. Result output of these procedures are written after right after the each question. Conclusion: by this practical I am able to rendering the effects and animation with the 3D object. Summary on that practical session: complete the practical number 30, 31 and 32. Homework: prepare in your practical number 30, 31, 32 in a notebook. Here, complete your all practicals of the course, that is applied multimedia techniques. Okay, some 3D animations practicals is not done, but that are you only for watching through using YouTube. Okay, in a YouTube, give that statement, number of videos will be displayed, that through you watch it, that time to you understand how to use that Blender. Okay, and in yourself, not that PC or laptop, so it is problematic to complete the practical, so only for watching the videos. Okay, and now I am to declare that complete your syllabus or complete your practical syllabus for course, that is applied multimedia techniques. Okay, here and given to submission for all practicals, that within a deadline completed it, otherwise you reduce your term marks. Okay, your all subjects are within that deadlines submission it. Now we means what, which are the submission, for example, that theory, part assignment, test, okay, in a practical projects, okay. So also in a for the DSU and AMT given the project list already displayed it, okay. So that are the project related the proposal, diary and report. That 3 points are soft copy in a within a group, one copy within a group that will be sent, okay. I'm given that deadline, okay. The deadline is the for within that deadline that submitted it, otherwise reduce your project marks also, okay. So in this, apart from this all practicals in a AMT, any doubts are arise by related to a practical, then contact with me, okay. So now stop on that today's practical session, and all the best for all subjects for theory and practical exams. Thank you.